everyone, in this video I will show you how to push your project to GitHub using Git command. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. First, open your terminal and go to your project directory. This simply means you are entering your project folder. Now type git init. This command initializes a Git repository and creates a hidden .git folder to track your changes. Next, add all your project files. Type git add dot. The dot means everything. You are telling Git to include all the files for the next commit. Now create your first commit. Type git commit. It's your initial commit. This saves a snapshot of your project with a message. Now rename your branch to main. Type git This is the modern standard branch. Now link your local project to GitHub. Type git remote. Now you have to first create a repo on GitHub using Simon game or of your project folder, and you have to paste a link of your project repo. Now press enter. Here origin is just a nickname for your GitHub repository. Finally, push your code. Type git push it's a mistake spelling. This uploads your project to GitHub. The -u flag sets at its default, so next time you only need to push. Go to your GitHub repo and refresh your page. You should now see all your files uploaded successfully. And that's it. You have successfully pushed your project to GitHub using Git. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thank you.